Hey guys, hey everyone, welcome of you all into the Motive Ready news channel and welcome of you all into the Motive Ready YouTube channel. And today I am your reporter and today also I am going to tell you some reports in Hindi also. आज मैं आपको कुछ न्यूज़ हेडलाइंस और कुछ रिपोर्ट बताने वाला हूँ और आज का मेरा टॉपिक होगा, मेन टॉपिक वो होगा द वर्स्ट एंड द बेस्ट थिंग फॉर इंडिया दैट हैज़ बीन डन till now. So let's start. So firstly I would like to tell you the best thing. So what is the best thing? भारत के लिए अभी तक की सबसे बड़ी खबर ये है कि अग्नि 5 जो कि बहुत पहले बन चुकी थी 2015 में, वो अब जाके सक्सेसफुली उसका टेस्ट ट्रायल हो चुका है और सक्सेस भी हो चुकी है। और अभी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे होंगे कि अग्नि 5 की फोटो और अग्नि 1, अग्नि 2, अग्नि 3 की रेंज और उसके पेलोड। जो अग्नि 5 है उसका पेलोड है 1350 to 1380 between it and the range is about 5000 kilometer. That is very big. And the range of the Agni 1, Agni 2 and Agni 3 that you can already see on your screen, and the payload of them also. So this was the Agni 3 which has been finally tested, and it has a range of 5000 kilometer, and its speed is 24 times times the speed of a light, which is very big and very far also. Means in 1 second it can go 8 kilometer, and if you will ask for the exact one, so it is 8.16 kilometer. That is very nice. Means till the time we are telling to the enemy that I have launched the Agni 5 for destroying you, till that time the Agni 5 would have also reached there. Means in 1 or 2 minutes it can go to Europe, and not only go, it can also destroy in 1 or 2 minutes. So and it has been launched from the APJ Abdul Kalam Island of the India, which was made and named after APJ Abdul Kalam. You can understand, missile man of India. So it is a very big thing also. And the next thing that is, you can see the worst thing that I have told you in the starting, and that I am going to tell you about, and that is about the flood that came, and it going on now also in the Uttarakhand and the Kerala side, where the too much flood has came and many of the people are being also dead. So I want to also tell you that nearly 42 people has been dead in Uttarakhand, and nearly 100 people has been dead in the Kerala side. So also you can see the many of the pictures of the flood from the Uttarakhand, where many of the houses are broken and many things are open broken. But today the main thing that I want to tell you is that how does a flood come and what is a earthquake. So really what happens that many times it happens that when we live in our home, so many times the earthquake comes, and how it comes means it shakes the whole of the earth. So you may be also laugh at when he is moving here and there, and the earthquake comes, but it is a very nice thing. They have realized that earthquake has come. So never laugh on anyone. So let me tell you that why this happened. So the earth is divided into 20 pieces, totally 20 pieces, as you can watch on your screen also. Maybe I will show you in my screen. The earth is not divided into 2 parts, that water in and land. It is divided into 20 pieces, that is also known as a tectonic places, plates that keep moving always. Means not only sometimes, it keeps moving always, and whenever it moves, so it shakes with each other always. And also I will show you this thing on my screen also, and as you can watch that it also slides with each other, and there are also many times of earthquake that come. And also the main thing is that when it moves to the place where the main focus, means where the main point from where the earthquake earthquake originated, that place is known as the hypocenter, and the surface of the earth where it came, it is known as the epicenter, or you can say the focus is known as the hypocenter. And also many times the small come and next I'm going to tell you about three types of earthquake. So let's start. So the first one, that the three types of earthquake is there. First is the conversion boundary, in which when the two tectonic plates meet, so a mountain is originated, and the place where it meets, it is known as the thrust fault. And next also you can see on your screen that how it happens. And next is the divergent boundary, where when the two tectonic plates meet, so a gap is created between them, that forms the ocean floor, also known as the rift zone, as you can see on your screen. And the next one and the last earthquake that is told, and that is the last one, is transform fold, and the place where it meets is called a strike slip. So as you can also realize that the earth tectonic plates, when it moves and converge with each other, diverge and shakes, when the earth shakes angrily, that is known as the earthquake. So means I was just telling that if the earth is moving, so at that time the earthquake is there. And also as you can see that the seismograph, it is an instrument used to measure the earthquake. And also I want to tell you that the flood that come in the ocean floor and the volcanic eruption there is known as the flood that came in the Uttarakhand and the Kerala. So this was my report for today. Thank you and have a nice day, and thank you for giving me a appreciation. Thank you.